in triangle ABC and XYZ. Two triangles ABC and XYZ. Angle A and angle X are acute. He is concentrating on angle A and angle X. He is concentrating on angle A and then he is giving one statement. He is giving one statement. What is saying? Cos A is equal cos X. So we have to draw a related diagram, illustrative diagram. What diagrams? Two right angle triangles. What are those two triangles? ABC and XYZ. Okay. And concentrate on angle A and angle X. Concentrate on, that's why I have marked it. Angle A and angle X is marked. Why means? In the problem is concentrating on A and X. Now you know the definitions. Cos A means what? Adjacent side to A by hypotenuse. And what is cos X? Adjacent side to X by, so adjacent side to A you can see it as AB. AB. Okay. AB. And hypotenuse is AC is equal. Adjacent side to X is? Adjacent side to X is? Opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent. So, adjacent side, XY by XZ. Okay. Let is equal K. Let it, this is equal to K. Now, attaching the first one to K. AB becomes K into AC. K into AC. And XY becomes K into XZ by cross multiplication. By AB is equal K into AC. Is it? AB is equal K into AC and XY is equal K into XZ. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Right? Now we want the third side. Which is the third side? BC. We want the third side. And we want the third side, the ratio. BC by YZ. AB by AC हो गया. XY by XZ हो गया. AB by XY, AB by AC. XY by XZ. लेकिन BC YZ बाकी है. So I want to find out BC by YZ. BC by YZ. So BC by YZ is equal. BC बोले तो क्या होता? Hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. Hypotenuse square minus side 1 square by hypotenuse square minus side 1 square under root. Second side S2 आना बोल तो H from the diagram S2 आना बोल तो H minus S1 square. What is H? What is H? AC square minus AB square by H2. H is equal X Z square minus X Y square under root. Now BC by YZ is equal, come on, root AC square minus AB बोले तो K into AC. So K square into AC square. Square ना, AB square ना. AB square करे तो अच्छी बात है. ऐसा नहीं लिखे तो ऐसा लिख सकते हैं और एक स्टेप बढ़ा लेके. Square. Square है ना? H AC square is AC square. AB is how much? K into AC. K into AC. Square means square. Square means क्या इधर not a problem, समझ में आ जाता, it's not a problem. Okay, so you see AC square minus AB means how much? K into AC. AB is K into AC. K into AC. K into square means square. Square means square. By xz square. Xz square minus what is xy? What is xy? K into xz. K into xz square. ఇది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చింది? फ्रॉम 2. फ्रॉम 2. 2 करने से वैल्यू आ गया. ए बी स्क्वायर का वैल्यू किधर से आ गया? 2 करने से. 2 इक्वेशन 2. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी एज k into ac. K into ac and xy as k into xz. K into xz. AC square is AC square. XZ square is XZ square. But AB is how much? ఆ లాస్య దగ్గర వాడు అట్లనే చదివి కింద ఊక్కుంటా పైన ఊక్కుంటా టీవీ చూసుకుంటా వాట్ ఈస్ ఏబి? కమీ కుర్చీ కమీ So AB is how much? AB is K into AC and XY is K into XZ. Continue again. BC by YZ. BC by YZ is equal under root AC square minus K square into AC square. K को स्क्वायर करे तो K स्क्वायर, AC को स्क्वायर करे तो AC स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट XZ स्क्वायर by XZ square minus K square into XZ square. XZ square. Okay. Okay. Now BC by YZ is equal. ये दोनों में AC स्क्वायर कॉमन निकाल सकते. AC स्क्वायर AC स्क्वायर. AC स्क्वायर इंटू इधर कॉमन निकाल दिए तो कुछ भी मैंने बोलता 1. AC स्क्वायर इंटू 1 AC स्क्वायर माइनस इधर AC स्क्वायर निकाल दिए तो क्या रहता? K स्क्वायर राइट बाई इसमें क्या कॉमन निकाल सकते? X दोनों से दुनिया में ये दोनों में कौन सा कॉमन निकाल सकते? तू हाइट है, तू बैठे तो उसको नहीं दिख रहा है. गिड्डा किधर बेच? चल निकाल उधर, मुंह नहीं है तेरे को. XZ स्क्वायर निकाले तो क्या कॉमन रहता है? इधर निकाले तो 1 माइनस XZ स्क्वायर इज टेकन K स्क्वायर. 1 minus K square, 1 minus K square cancel. So BC by YZ is equal square root cancel. AC by XZ. Okay. Equation 3. So BC by YZ is equal AC by XZ. Okay. BC by YZ is equal AC by. Now take 1. This is 3. Take 1. 1 क्या हुआ? 1 AB by AC is equal XY by XZ. AB बोलो. AB by is equal क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन AB by xy is equal AC by xz. AC by xz. Cross multiplication. This is equation number 4. AC by xz का वैल्यू क्या है? BC by yz. So AC by xz is equal to क्या होता? BC by yz. तो अब ये और थोड़ा बढ़ता. AB by xy is equal AC by xz, and AC by xz is equal BC by yz is equal to BC by yz from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. AB by xy is equal AC by xz. From 1 we got it. From 1. इंटरचेंज कर लिए AB by XY is equal AC by YZ. और ऐसे AC by YZ का वैल्यू क्या है बोल तो AC by XZ का वैल्यू क्या है? BC by YZ. BC by YZ. Now what you are getting, see in the diagram, AB by XY, AB by XY, AC by XZ and BC by YZ. So ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Ratio of, if the ratio of corresponding sides, AB का corresponding XY, AC का corresponding and BC का corresponding, if the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, ratio of the triangles are not equal, congruent. The triangles are congruent. The triangles are congruent. If the ratios of corresponding triangles sides are equal, then the triangles are congruent. So triangle ABC, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ or similar. Triangle